What's moving, what's shaking, y'all? It's been a minute since I've been riding. Feels good to be out here. It's a cloudy day though. A little chilly though, man. It's like in the 60s or something. It's been like that for a couple weeks now, so getting used to it. Me and Nebula is, I'm just trying to get her feet a little warm. But we headed to the plantation. Yeah, it's a little nippy today, y'all. Let me turn this music down a little bit. But hopefully everybody's doing all right, staying safe, staying geared up. Yeah, I'm waiting right now on a delivery for my my riding shoes or boots, because these Nike ACG boots, nah, they don't cut it. And those Must Street and Still or Still and Street boots, you know, they had a good run. It was like almost about 2 years. Well, it will be 2 years. We got a killer duck alert. Killer duck alert. Come on, man, what you doing? They're gone. They're across the street. Go around them. Yeah, y'all, I'm just commuting to work. It seems like that's the only time I get to ride, you know, for them 10-15 minutes each time back and forth to work. Your boy been busy trying to get ready for this for these holidays. Thanksgiving is past already, which is, Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday, but Christmas is like, god damn it, that's gonna hit them pockets. But yeah, y'all, hopefully everybody's all right, staying safe, geared up, staying visual out here. I got to deal with the traffic right now, man, all this after school traffic. Don't look. Damn, it's a lot of traffic today, y'all. But I came to, you know, I don't know, a few weeks ago I had dropped that video or uploaded that video, you know, saying, you know, I'm too broke for a new bike. Well, a new bike that I want, you know, getting a bike that's like 6,000–7,000, all right, that's cool, I can afford that. But I'm talking about a bike that I want. Y'all know I want a leader bike now. And I feel I'm ready for that leader bike. Oh, alright. I feel I'm ready for a leader bike now. Come on, man, what are you doing? I'm just saying, look at this traffic, y'all. The person right here in the black car won't go. 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 Waiting forever, yo. You can go, lady, right after this car. Nope, ain't gonna go. Okay. You can go after this truck, all three of y'all. Go. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. This bitch, you see me. Oh yeah, Nebula. Feels good. I don't know, yo, I was playing basketball my team yesterday at our first practice. And I don't know, man, after all these jump shots I was shooting, like the joint, like my knuckle joint in my middle finger is either sprained or something. And I realized it hurts when I gotta squeeze the clutch. It's a nice temperature day. I'm wondering, do I want to just go in front, but I can't see all the cars. It might be the boys. It's cool. But yeah, y'all, I was you know, man, I ain't been riding in a minute. Like, last time I rode was the day before Thanksgiving. It wasn't that long ago, but it seemed like it was forever. It's been about a week or like 10 days or something like that. And I'm telling you, it seemed like every time I don't ride for a while, like I gotta start all over or something. Like I gotta, you know, kick back my muscles into their memory. But yeah, like I was just saying, man, I want a new bike, like a leader bike. Like I'm not just gonna settle. Like if the only thing I would settle is for something that just, I remember I had put up a video about that one guy who had that R6. It was like a 2019 or a 2020 R6, and it had like 4,000 or 5,000 miles, and he had it for $6,000. Now that I might settle for. Reason being, because you know it's such a good deal. It's such a good deal, and y'all know I love the looks of the Yamaha R6 and the R1. Shoot, I had the R3. I love those looks too, but yeah, my girl is definitely loving this weather. I can tell, y'all. But, you know, so I'm looking, but I realize, man, the only way is that I'm gonna have to, unless I get, you know, a big chunk of change or something, I'm a, you know, 15 grand, 10, 20 grand or something like that, then that's the only way I'm gonna snatch me up a new bike. And I really don't want to trade my girl in. I do really think that the 600 class is like the best, in my opinion, for the streets. Yeah, you don't really use all the power, you know, unless you get all up in the triple digits and stuff like that. But hey, you don't use all the power in the car. You know, you ain't, you know, some cars got 160 on the dash. You ain't at 160, you know, miles per hour or anything like that. Most of the time you anywhere between 50 and 80, or I'd say 40 and 90, 40 and 80 or something like that, you know. And that's how it is on the 600 series, but you still got enough power to get on up out of there. Like, for example, I think like the 300 or like the 250s, I think that's like having a 4-cylinder, you know, car, to where you got enough for the streets, but you about to get on the highway in that accelerating lane, you really need that little extra power. Or if you got them tailgaters on you, you really do need that extra power. There go them boys. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I look at those, you know, 250s or 300s. You know, and then the 6-cylinder would be the 600, 750s and, you know, stuff like that. that would be the that would, you know, be the six-cylinder car would be like a 600 or a 750 or something like that. To me, that's the power of having like you know, therefore when you got that power, you ain't using it all. Like in the 6-cylinder, you're not at 160 miles per hour in a car. Just like you ain't using all the power on the 600 on a motorcycle. So I personally think like a 600 class, you know, cc motorcycle is the perfect bike for the streets. Definitely am. Hey man, and then you got like those leader bikes. You know, you got leader bikes that would be what, the V12s or something like that, to where you know you ain't using all the V12 power on the street. You know, you ain't constantly in 100, you know, the triple digits on the streets in the car, a V12 car or V8 or something like that. But if you want it, you can use it. Same way with the you know, the leader bikes. It's there if you want to use it, you know. So that, I mean, I don't want to get rid of my 600, but you know, I don't want to get rid of Nebula. I think, in my opinion, man, Suzuki has the most comfortable seating position for a sports bike. Definitely my opinion. Some people, you know, like the Yamaha, like the R1s and the R6, man, you really are, you know, hunched over. You definitely are in aggressive riding position, to where, man, like I sat on the Yamaha 600s. I sat on you know, I'm on the Gixxer 600 now, but you know, and I personally think that, yo, the riding position for the Gixxers, the Suzuki, is a lot more comfortable. So, man, I'm supposed to be to work. It's 3:06. I'm supposed to be to work at 3 o'clock. Getting caught up either in the traffic, getting caught up, you know, at home. Yeah, but I'm still waiting on my shoes too, y'all. I'm supposed to be here today. It's the Danese Adipico, whatever those is, Anniversario Air 2s. I hope I'm saying that right, but they're actually pretty dope. I wish I could have got a Hi-Viz color, but I had got like this fluorescent purple little. It's not bad, and it's just for something, man. I can't see myself walking around in no racing boot all day at work. Sound damn good. I was chopping it up with one of the homies, Quicksilver. If y'all go check out his page. Quicksilver actually got a dope ass page, and he got a couple of dope bikes too. He got the Gixxer 750 and the Gixxer 1000. They both like the same color and everything. But yo, y'all go check out homie. I do consider a lot of y'all, you know, my homies, my biker buddies, man. Even though we in different states, I consider y'all self friends or homies. It's like that, man. This brotherhood or sisterhood from riding, man, definitely is a great connection, y'all. I don't know what it is, but it seems like anybody that ride, We all got, oh shoot, I'm at 9,300 miles, y'all. My girl is getting old. My girl is getting old. But anyways, I'ma holler. Y'all be easy, y'all stay safe, stay geared up, stay prayed up. And remember, man, y'all never too old to start over and dream again. So I'ma holler on the next one, God willing. Y'all be easy. Peace.